Let's be completely honest. Finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but get ready to be amazed cause this universal A changes everything. Hold on a second. I was honestly a bit skeptical at first, but after seeing that it feels incredibly high quality, I was completely sold. It is hands down incredible BC. It simply does its job beautifully every single time. The single biggest reason you need SI in your life is because it cuts down your daily stress significantly. It's highly practical, compact, ADN packed with thoughtful features that actually matter to you. Stop settling for less when you can have the best. This is your ultimate sign to upgrade. Go directly to the video description right now, click that product link, and grab yours today before the price goes back up. Product link, product_link_ placeholder. Let's be completely honest. Finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but get ready to be amazed cause this universal A changes everything. Hold on a second.